Page 91. Pronunciation. Exercise 3A. Listen.
The weather was great.
It wasn't humid.
We were away on vacation.
We weren't home.
Now listen and repeat.
The weather was great.
It wasn't humid.
We were away on vacation.
We weren't home.
Page 91. Pronunciation. Exercise 3B. Listen. 1.
Our hotel wasn't very good.
2.
We weren't in Madrid.
3.
There were a lot of people on the beach.
4.
The food was good, but I wasn't hungry.
Now listen and repeat.
Our hotel wasn't very good.
We weren't in Madrid.
There were a lot of people on the beach.
The food was good, but I wasn't hungry.
Page 93. Pronunciation. Exercise 3A. Listen.
Talked.
Watched.
Explored.
Stayed.
Rented.
Decided.
Now listen and repeat.
Talked.
Watched.
Explored.
Stayed.
Rented.
Decided.
Page 93. Pronunciation. Exercise 3B. Listen. 1.
Enjoyed.
2.
Visited.
3.
Learned.
4.
Sunbathed.
5.
Walked.
6.
Needed.
Now listen and repeat.
Enjoyed.
Visited.
Learned.
Sunbathed.
Walked.
Needed.